What's up YouTube, and welcome back to another video. It's actually really nice out. Your boy got a fresh cut, so you know what I'm saying, I'm looking nice, I ain't gonna lie. But I just got home from the gym, and I thought about making this video a long time ago where you guys are asking me what I do for a living and stuff like that. So I'm gonna be telling you guys exactly how I was able to afford my beautiful car right behind me. But I'm probably gonna drive to, I don't know, the parking lot over there instead of doing it here on the street. So let's go get in the car and kind of just make our way over there. I should have just took the camera with me to the gym. That way I can record after, but I didn't take it with me. I didn't think of that. Ugh. I don't have the cold start on, but at least you get the little roar. Here you go. Not too bad. But yeah, man, I'm gonna just be chatting with you guys for a little bit, you know, just pretty much talking about what I do for a living and how I'm able to afford this car. Like, the payments on this car aren't too crazy, but you know, not everybody can afford it. Or should I go on the drive and talk? I don't want to go too far, because if I do, when I come back, I'm not gonna have no parking, and finding parking around here is like the hardest thing in the world. Let me do a little bit of burbles for you guys before it's gone, because I think I'm gonna do the video outside the car. Not too shabby, not too shabby. Do you guys like the aggressive burbles where it's like super aggressive, where it be like pops and bangs for like forever? Because honestly, that's what I had before. For 5 seconds, you would just hear my car going blah, 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 for way too long. But I tuned it down. I only have it now for like, I think it's like, apparently it's like 2 seconds, but I think it might be like 1 and something. I think it's better like that because it's not as loud and obnoxious. I don't even know if I said that word correctly because my English not very good looking. Let me go ahead and park the car right here, and we can kind of get out the car and just kind of talk about it, you know what I'm saying? Okay, I think this will do. Oh, parking brake something. No money for that right now. All right, you guys, so first thing is first. As most of you guys already know, I have a 2018 BMW 440 X-Drive, all of that, M Sport. The only thing that this car doesn't have that I didn't even realize until a couple months later down the line is that I don't have the Harman, whatever the speakers that most BMWs have. This car actually does not have that, but besides that, this car has it all. So I've always wanted to have a BMW. As most of you guys already know, my dream car was to one day have one of these right here, and my next big dream car is a Ferrari. That's some, you know, some top of the top, you know what I'm saying? Oh my God, this camera's getting dumb heavy already. So I was in school, I was playing baseball in college, and then I kind of just dropped out, started working, moving. And if you guys don't know, it's like moving like furniture. So if you wanted to move from, let's say, Brooklyn to Manhattan or Manhattan to Brooklyn, I will be the guy that you call. I started as a helper first, you know, I was making okay money. Like, it's hard work, don't get me wrong, it's very hard work, but I was making okay money. And then I just kind of started saving and saving and saving. Then later down the line, I was able to open my own company, and then I hired my boy, one of my best friends. That's like my little brother. So I hired him to come work with me, and so we were just kind of working like every single day in the summer, also a little bit of the winter as well. Our goal, mine and his, was to save up as much money as we can to buy our cars. Like, I was looking at BMWs for a whole year, just trying to figure out what the best one was for me. I did tons of research to see which would be like the better fit. That's when I came across my BMW 440 right here. I kept hearing a lot of good things, V58, you know, great engine, little to no issues. The only problem that, you know, I kept seeing was that people would complain about the coolant, where these cars are known for like leaking coolant. So you always gotta check that here and then. You know, I was saving up all of my bread, bro. Like, every check, everything, bro, every tip, I was just saving it. If you guys didn't know, before this car, I had a Honda Accord 2009. So that's what I was whipping around. That was my baby too. I took care of that just as much as I take care of this, because like I tell you guys, car is my thing. Like, I love cars, so any car that I own, I'm gonna take care of it. And I didn't have no issues with that either, but I wanted one of these right here. So saving up and saving up, I got to, let me see how much. I think I saved up like $6,000 in the summer. Obviously, we got bills and stuff we got to pay for. So if I didn't have any of that, I would have probably had way more than that. But you know, we have bills. So I saved up $6,000. Then I sold my Honda to my mom, but it wasn't really a sale. I kind of just gave it to her, and she just gave me $1,000. And then I came across this car. Like, I saw it online for like the same day they posted it online. that next day it was gonna get delivered to a local dealer that I knew. So that next day I went, I looked at the car, I drove it. I was like, nah, I gotta take this car. There was like 10 people trying to get this car as well. Like they were gonna test drive. I was like, nah, nobody gonna test drive it. I wanna buy it right now. So, you know, I did the paperwork and stuff like that. I gave $7,000, if I remember correctly, $7,000, guys, as a down payment. It was a lot. That's pretty much everything I had. So I literally stayed completely broke, but it was okay because my job, you know, moving, you make a lot of money. Honestly, if you work a lot, you can make tons and tons of money. You just gotta work. And I'm gonna tell you something, guys, like that shit is hard work on your body. And yeah, I just spent all of my bread on this beautiful car right here, all of it. There's people watching me right now and it's kind of weird, but anyway, I just kept working and working and working and working. You know, I wanted to put the mods and everything that I have on this car right now, so I just kept working, saving up, and little by little I kept adding mods and mods and mods. Then it got to a point where my body, I was just tired, bro, from doing moving. My whole body would hurt. I would be tired. I would like fall asleep in my bathroom. Like it was hard, I'm not gonna lie, but it's just what I had to do to get this car, so that's what I was doing. After that, I started working at Madison Square Garden. If you guys don't know, that's the, you know, whatever, America's famous arena, whatever they call it. Pretty much what I was doing there is dealing with like alcohol. So anything that had to do with alcohol, I would be the guy that they'd be on the radio like, yo, Max, hey, can you boo 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 check this beer is out, whatever, whatever. So then I would have to go and change it out. It was a pretty calm job, I'm not gonna lie. The only problem with that is that, you know, you do work events. So like you work the Knicks game, you work like the Rangers game, you work all the concerts and fights and all of that. The good thing about it was that, you know, I was able to watch a whole bunch of games. I even got tired of watching basketball games, all the fights. I get to see it all. So that was a good thing about it. Then I left that job too for another opportunity. You know, what I'm doing currently, as a matter of fact, you could call it taxi, but it's not like a regular cab that you just kind of like call and like, oh, come pick me up. It's more for like disabled people, I guess you could call. But they're super nice people, you know what I mean? So they do drive me crazy sometimes, I'm not gonna lie, because they just be chatting, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. They be chatting, but they're good people. So that's what I do right now. I do Uber on the side. What else do I do? Yeah, I be trying to do it all, man. I'm trying to get to this bag, bro, because there's so much that I got to do to this car. And I also got back into doing moving. So in the weekends, I do moving. So if you guys don't see that many videos for me, it's because honestly, bro, I'm working and I'm just, you know, working 7 days a week now. So it's kind of hard to be recording and like editing and posting. But, you know, I still try to figure it out for you. But besides that, you guys already know that I just do my little YouTube videos for you guys, you know, entertainment and just kind of car stuff, which is, you guys know, that's what I do. Yeah, that's pretty much it. YouTube, and I do Uber, Lyft. Well, I be doing it all. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. So, all right, yeah, so I already feel like I talked a lot, probably talked even too much. So I don't even know how many people are gonna watch this video, because honestly, I was just chatting. Don't blame me if this video wasn't nothing crazy, because it was Yahoo asked me what I do for a living and how I'm able to afford this car. I mean, the payments on this car is not crazy, so I don't struggle too much, but you know, there is other bills. We do live in New York, everything is expensive here, so I just kind of have to do as many things as I can, because as you guys know, YouTube is not like, you know, I don't make money from YouTube, to be honest. I make $0 from YouTube. You know, I'm not doing it for the money, because I probably would have to sell this car if I was just working on YouTube, straight YouTube. I would just be, you know, freaking taking the train every day. Maybe one day we could get a little $2, but as of right now, we make $0 off YouTube, which is fine. I don't do it for the money. I wish I do make some money on it, but if we don't, we don't. I just kind of do it because I love making YouTube videos for you guys. I love talking about my car. I love just taking you guys on rides in my car and just kind of, you know, teaching you guys what I know. I don't know that much, but I know a little bit. Yeah, but if I can leave you with something, just keep working, bro. Keep hustling. Keep doing what you gotta do. Like, stop caring about what other people think. Bro, honestly, bro, like, I got to a point where it's like, I'm already like at the bottom, you know what I mean? So I just gotta work, bro. That's all I got. Just work, keep going, keep grinding, keep posting, staying consistent. And yeah, hopefully one day we could be something cool. That's gonna be it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you guys are new. I love you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.